When you're in the search for a new PC build and you need a case, of course, then the long search starts. What kind of case do I want? Do I want a normal sized ATX? What do I want? What aesthetics is important for me? And during the search you see all kind of brands which bring quality to the table, of course, but most of the times you judge the book by its cover and what are the aesthetics of your new build. The Phanteks Enthoo Evolv is just a beautiful case, and as you can see, its sheer quality, the aluminum in the front is just so beautiful. If you feel it, it feels smooth and well finished. The RGB is dimmable and it works very good. In this display you see it with more RGB in the memory and that kind of stuff, and that brings a total package. It's so beautiful, it feels like an aquarium in some sort, because you can stare at it for hours and it won't ever bore you or something. What amazed me more was the lack of sound. The airflow is so good of this PC case when built correctly, of course, that you almost never hear it. It's just amazing. If you have a few good coolers, then it's just an amazing product that I highly recommend for everybody that wants a premium build case, because you can always get a cheaper case but it won't have this good aesthetics and airflow, which was very important.